girlfriend is the best cook on earth. When you test her food, your life will never remain the same.
Are you serious?
Her food has accuracy, simplicity, diplomacy, and even diversity.
But what are we waiting for then? Bring the food.
I hope you guys are enjoying it.
Yes.
Funke! What?
Nkume.
Funke!
Baby, join us now. Why not join us? You should join us now.
No, don't worry. I'm okay, I'm fine, baby.
What did happen? Are we eating rice or we are breaking rocks?
I wonder if we are in a block industry.
This is no block. These are rocks. I call this rock of ages.
You have succeeded in breaking all my teeth.